Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my 8th update for the whole collection project Pan. This project was created by Becky Loves Kanga, where you randomly generate 10 products to work on from your collection and then you can set your own goals. I personally have half of my products just to use 10 times and the other half of my products I set more traditional panning goals just to help me rotate through my collection a little bit more. I really enjoyed this project because it pushes me outside of my comfort zone. It's very challenging and also brings products to the forefront of my collection that I don't often think about, or maybe I wouldn't be reaching for as much if it were just up to my own self, or I discover things that maybe have expired, etc. When you have a large collection like I do, things can tend to get lost. Let's hop right in. I'm going to start off with the more traditional side of things, and I have decided to change it up with this. I had just been setting different goals for different products on this side, but I'm going to change it. I saw Taylor Buell, sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name, Taylor. She does 30 uses or pan, whichever comes first, no matter the product. And I would like to do that as well. Some of these products are getting very near the 30 uses mark, and then if they are close to being finished at 30 uses, then they can easily be rolled into another project. I just want to keep this one moving a little bit faster because I feel like some of these products are becoming stagnant, and I just hope that that little tweak will help me with this project. I am starting to think about the new year as well and what products I want to be doing in 2022. So let me know in the comments below if you're doing this project this year. Do you plan on doing it next year? I'm kind of on the fence. I just love it so much. This is the 3rd year I'm doing it. I've done it a little bit differently each time, but I need to make some cuts somewhere at the same time. I'm already going to be filming an early finale later on this month because I just have too much on the go, and as much as I want to participate in all of the projects all of the time, I'm just coming to the realization that that's not productive. So I will be doing some sort of randomized collection situation because it's worked so well for me, and this project just seems to be a good fit, but I'm also on the fence, so let me know what you think. Alright, let's start off with the Tarte Beach Babe lipstick. I've now used this lipstick 21 times. My goal was to finish it, but like I said, now it's going to be like finish or 30 uses, so it's going to be the 9 more uses. Last time I shared with you that it was completely broken off. That's showing the plastic as well. I just have this much left in it. I'm of course wearing it today. Emmett had dropped it on the floor and it broke, and I did get it set in there a lot better than I had previously. It was very hard to use. Every time I would like try and tip it to apply it, it would fall out and I'd catch it. It has not hit the floor yet, so if that happens, it will just be done for. I will call it an empty, but I did get it in there a little bit more securely. I've used this a ton this past month and I'm really happy with my progress. So 9 more uses and I can roll it out, and like I said, you'll probably see this in a different project. I just want to make better use of the randomization of this project, if that makes sense. Last month, my NYC Sun and Bronze was experiencing some hard pan issues. I was able to scrape the top layer off, and it does seem to have helped. I am wearing this bronzer today, and I think it looks great. I've worn it only twice since the last update though, bringing me up to 15 uses in this project. My goal was to hit pan on it, but again, it will be to hit pan or 30 uses and just keep things rolling in that way. I am happy that I did scrape off the top layer because I am enjoying it much more that way, and it was also like a cheater's way of making a little bit more progress as well, but it had become unusable prior to that, so that's all right. The ColourPop Lilac You A Lot palette, I'm working on the shade Cloud, and I've only used it twice in this project, but I am very close to pan. I've only used it once since the last update, and I need to get it done. I said that last time, that I should just focus and get it done. But now I'm definitely feeling more of a push to finish this, or like to hit pan on it, because this is a very spring summer palette for my makeup tastes, and I would just like to use it. I think it would be like 3 more uses tops and I could have pan on this. I should just do that and move along. I'm trying to make my updates this month shorter because I like to ramble. Pixi Apricot Glow, a single I'm trying to hit pan on. That was backwards. Again, it will be pan or 30 uses. I am wearing this on my lids today. It's a very beautiful champagne peachy kind of shade. I'm working on this side here. Once since the last update, total of 2 uses. I'm feeling more motivated now that summer vacation is over. I feel like I took a summer vacation on my panning journey as well, and now I'm ready to get back into it. Now that the kids are going back to school, we'll be more in a routine. Hopefully I'll be doing my makeup more often. The temperatures are dropping. Lastly, in this half of my project, I'm working on the Stella McCartney Pop perfume. I've used over 1/3 of this perfume and I have 14 uses tallied on here. I don't tally every time. Every time I remember to tally, I just add 2 or 3. I do wear this a couple times a week, I would say. I don't wear perfume every single day, but this is the one I am reaching for currently. It's a really light, fresh scent. It's not very overwhelming. It's easy to wear on a daily basis. Just as a stay-at-home mom, I just don't wear perfume every day. It's not that I'm choosing other perfumes over this one. This is the one that I'm using when I remember to apply fragrance. So we won't be rolling anything out of this half of the project. Moving over to my 10 uses side of my project, starting with this nail polish, the OPI Suzi Shops and Island Hops nail polish. This is the 2nd month in a row that I haven't used it. We're still at 4 of 10 uses, so I'm choosing to roll this out. I have been mostly wearing the gel polishes from Madame Glam, not nail polish, like traditional nail polishes, if you will. And while this is a really neutral light pink, very great for every day, I'm just not feeling it. I'm not motivated to paint my nails. I'm just gonna roll it out. It's taking a space in this project. That will be like a veto, if you will. Shockingly, I only used this once since the last update. I used it 5 or 6 times the month prior because I was dabbling in the curly girl method, but more of the wavy girl method because I'm never gonna have curly hair. And I was using this as my styler and really loving it. But again, I just fell off the bandwagon. So I'm at 7 of 10 uses for this product, only needing 3 more to roll it out. I will do that before the next update. I just fell out of styling my hair yet again, but I definitely need to get use out of more of my hair products. I forgot to update this properly last time. I just had some subtitles on my screen. This is the Tarte liquid highlighter in the shade Exposed. I am wearing this on my cheeks today with another highlighter I will talk about in a second on top, and I have used this 8 of 10 times, so I'm really close on this one. I have mixed it in with my foundation a couple of times and really loved that look as well. I forgot to do that today and just applied it to the tops of my cheekbones before I went in with powder, but I'm really close on this product as well. I only used this for the once since the last update, and that was today. This is the BareMinerals Blonzer. Again, 10 uses. I've only used it 2 of 10 times in this project. I just love this really warm, sunburnt, coppery kind of cheek. I think this is going to take me into fall really beautifully as well. I like putting this on the bridge of my nose as well as a little bit on my forehead, like right here as well, just to give a further sun-kissed look. I did go in a little bit lighter today because I just have very natural makeup. I didn't want to have like super crazy cheeks, but I'm really enjoying this product. I've used it more than 2 times since I've owned it, but since it was rolled into this project, just 2 times, and I'm really happy to have this in my drawer. Last month I rolled in the CoverFX Face Perfector palette, specifically the brightener shade. This is a very white icy highlight. I need to mix it, so I do have this topped on my cheeks on top of the liquid highlighter, but also mixed in with this more golden champagne one today. And the time before that, I mixed it with this kind of rose gold kind of shade. So I have used this twice since rolling it in. So I do need to use this 8 more times. I also used the bronzer the last time I used it and really enjoyed it. I hope to reach for more of the shades in here while it's in my everyday makeup drawer. So because I'm choosing to roll out this nail polish, there's no point in it taking a spot in this project. I'm going to roll in a new shade. I have in the numbers 2 to 531. This excludes all of my eyeshadows, but also I have 2 highlighters in here. So if I roll in a highlighter, I will re-roll because I only want to work on a maximum of 2 per product category. So I have 2 eyeshadows and 2 highlighters. So let's see what we get. 461. You have got to be kidding me. It's another nail polish, another OPI nail polish as well. So let me grab that. So clearly the panning gods want me to work on my freaking nail polishes. I've always had a nail polish in this project since the beginning of this year, even though I really don't have that many nail polishes compared to other products in the spreadsheet I have. But it rolled in, it's a Piazza cake, which actually this is a very seasonally appropriate nail polish. So my goal will be to use this 10 times. I should be able to get 10 uses between now and let's say the end of November. I feel like this color can take me right up into the holiday season and I'll be very happy to wear it. It's a burnt orange shade. This is actually my mom's favorite color in general, so that's kind of fun. I can't believe that. That's crazy. Alright, very quickly, goals for next time. I hope to have met my 10 uses goal on both my Herbal Essences Mousse as well as my Tarte liquid highlighter, and I think I can get 30 uses finished from on my Tarte Beach Babe lipstick. That's only 9 more uses, and pan on ColourPop Lilac You a Lot. Do you think that we can roll in 4 items next time? That's a little crazy for me, but let's see if I can do it. That would be amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.